Hi there, in this class I will teach you how to buy hosting and domain from hostinger.com and how to install WordPress. If you use my special link, you will get an exclusive 20% discount on your purchase. As soon as you open hostinger.com, scroll down to see the different hosting plans like Premium, Business and Cloud Startup. The best part is that you will get a free domain with any of these plans. I highly recommend it choosing the business plan. It is the most popular and perfect for long-term use. When selecting your plan, choose 48 months to get the lowest price compared to 12 and 24 months. Click continue, enter your Gmail and create a strong password and click on register. Next, fill your billing details. First name, last name, country, phone number, address, city, province and zip code. After that, click continue and choose your preferred payment method. Card, PayPal, Google Pay or if you are using a card, enter your name, 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV number. Click submit payment, enter the OTP sent to your phone number and you will be logged into your hosting account. If not, you can manually log in. Now we will claim your free domain and install WordPress. Go to the website section and click add website. Here you need to select WordPress option. After that you have to add some basic details. Here you will see two options, create a website and migrate a website. You need to select create a website and then click next. Now here you will see two options, WordPress and hosting your website builder. Select WordPress and click on next. Select your preferred language, enter your Gmail address and create a strong password for your WordPress admin panel. Click next and select create a blank site. Don't choose AI or pre-built websites. Now it's time to claim your free domain. Type your desired domain name here. If it is available, you will see a green free domain label. Click to select it and then click install WordPress. Within seconds, WordPress will be installed on your domain and you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. In the next videos, I will explain each option inside the WordPress dashboard step by step in simple language so you will understand everything clearly. Stay connected and inshallah you will master it easily.